Good morning, Mr. Johnson. I'm glad we could meet today to discuss the progress of our school.
Good morning, Ms. Smith. I've been looking forward to this conversation. How do you think things are going at our school?
Well, I have to say that our students have been doing exceptionally well. They're engaged, curious, and eager to learn. I can see a real passion for education in them.
That's wonderful to hear. It's a testament to your dedication and the hard work of all our teachers. I'm really proud of the team we have.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. But I think we can do even better. One thing I've noticed is that our students are showing a lot of interest in science and technology. We should consider expanding our STEM programs.
I couldn't agree more. Science and technology are the future, and it's essential that we prepare our students for it. Let's look into getting more resources and support for those programs.
Great. I've also been thinking about our extracurricular activities. Our students could benefit from a wider variety of options, like arts and sports. It helps in their overall development.
Absolutely. Well-rounded students are more likely to succeed in life. Let's work on enhancing our extracurricular offerings and encouraging students to explore their passions.
On another note, parent-teacher communication is crucial. We need to improve our communication channels and keep parents well informed about their child's progress in school events.
You're spot on. We can explore regular newsletters, parent-teacher meetings, and maybe even a dedicated app for updates. Engaging parents in their child's education is a key step.
Lastly, I think it's important to focus on the well-being of our students. Mental health is a growing concern, and we should have counselors available to support our students.
I completely agree. Mental health is a priority, and having professional support can make a significant difference in the lives of our students. Let's allocate resources for counseling services.
Thank you for listening to my ideas, Mr. Johnson. I'm confident that with these improvements, our school will continue to thrive and be a place where students can excel.
Ms. Smith, your dedication and innovative thinking are truly commendable. I'm excited to work with you and the entire team to make our school an even better place for our students. Together, we can achieve great things. Ms. Smith, could you please send Miss Sarah to my office? I need to discuss an important matter with her.
Of course, Mr. Johnson. I'll send her right away.
Miss Sarah, we've received a complaint from a parent about your conduct during monthly parent-teacher meetings. They mentioned you appeared rude. Can you explain?
I apologize for any discomfort caused, Mr. Johnson. I've encountered challenging parents recently, and it's been stressful.
I understand that, but we must maintain a respectful atmosphere in these meetings. Can you elaborate on what led to these situations?
I felt defensive and frustrated when my teaching methods were questioned, especially with curriculum changes this year.
I appreciate your honesty. Let's work on better strategies to handle such situations. Perhaps workshops for parents and open communication would help.
I'm open to that. I'll also aim for a more composed and open demeanor in future meetings.
That's a positive step. With your cooperation, we can improve the parent-teacher relationship.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. I'm committed to making our meetings more productive and respectful.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.